Hey guys, so in this video I bring you another project called BLUM. Now BLUM is probably going to be one of the biggest airdrops that will be launched in this year, if not the biggest, right? And I'm going to tell you the reasons why I believe BLUM is going to be a very big airdrop. Now, number one, BLUM is a new blockchain technology, and also the CEO of BLUM was formerly working in Binance, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world today. And also, BLUM has one of the largest communities of crypto airdrops this year, 2024. Now, there are a lot of promising features about this BLUM, and the price prediction for BLUM is also very high, right? By the time I show you the price, what the price of BLUM might launch at, then you see that it's not going to be good if you do not do this airdrop. So if you have not started this airdrop, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start. I'm going to show you the tutorial, how to go, everything to go about it. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto airdrop updates. And let's just get right into this video. Now, like I said before, BLUM is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies. This is their page here on Twitter. They have about 3 million followers, and recently they posted an update that they have hit. Yeah, right here you can see it, 17 hours ago. Exciting news, BLUM has reached a huge milestone of 40 million users since April 2024. So they started in April and we're already in August. That's about few months, but still it's still an early project because I don't think they are not going to launch until next December or next year. They showed their new roadmap and there is still time to farm this project very well. So if you have not started, you can start right now. I don't think there's any project that have launched that have reached up to 40 million users. Even Notcoin that launched and gave everybody a lot of money, they didn't have up to 40 million users. Hamster Combat that I posted earlier, and also some other projects like Cartizen, they don't have up to 40 million users. Some have 10 million, some have up to 25 million. But this 40 million is still the highest I've seen so far. This is going to be a very big project, a very big airdrop. So let's just get straight into the how you can get started. Like always, the link to BLUM is going to be right in my description box. So click the link below if you have not, if you want to get started, and let me show you exactly how to farm this airdrop. So guys, we are here on the BLUM. When you click the link, the referral link, it should bring you right here. So you just launch BLUM. Now there are just about 2 or 3 simple things you need to do to farm this project. Number one, you need to log in. As you can see right here, it's showing farming and it's showing 7 hours. So I think it farms for about 8 hours. So you just come every 8 hours and you claim what it has already farmed. So after 8 hours, it will stop farming until you claim what you have farmed. It will not continue farming. So when you claim, then it will start farming again. Now also, you need to log in every day. That's number two very important thing. Every day you log in, they are going to give you these cards. Now this thing that shows right here, I have 281 of it. These are tickets that you can use to play the game. Now is this game that you play now that will give you the BLUM points. And before we play the game, let me show you something else. Over here is the tasks. So when you just get started, there are going to be, I see everyone have a lot of tasks here that I have not done. So social tax, just follow their Instagram, the CEO on Instagram, you just do all these tasks, you claim the points on Twitter, Facebook, Discord. I've completed 26, some YouTube tasks here, but I've not done these ones. So very easy, just do all the tasks, get all the points, then you play the game. So those brown things you see are bombs. This blue thing is like a freeze, it's help you to freeze the time so you can get the points. So you just make sure you avoid clicking on those bombs, because if you click on those bombs, then everything will be destroyed. So you get the points. My points, these are my BLUM points increasing here. If I click on the bomb now, see, everything gets destroyed. So it's a simple game. So to play this game now, I used one ticket, right? If I want to play again now, I will use another ticket. And to get the ticket, you need to log in every day. So if you don't log in, you don't get the ticket. If you don't get the ticket, you can't play the game. So now I have 45 bloom points. This is very low. I'm supposed to be getting about 150. So that's basically it for this tutorial, guys. Very simple. Farm every day, log in every 8 hours to claim this farming point. Log in every day to get tickets, then use your tickets to play the games. And you make sure you use your ticket. I'm not supposed to be having 208 tickets. I've just been lazy to play the game. I should have used up and played all the tickets. And finally, friends here, you can invite friends, and also wallet, connect your wallet. So use your turn keeper and you connect your wallet. So that is basically for this video. So guys, let me quickly show you something. The price prediction for Bloom. I was checking something this morning, and then I saw the price prediction on. I was like, I need to show you guys. So I searched Bloom price. Bloom is not yet launched, right? But this is like, I think, the pre-sale price or the predicted price. Okay, so look at someone saw this. It says Bloom price on BingX. I think it's like the pre-sale price. Look at what I said. $0.02, right? $0.02. You guys can see that someone is also posting the average price $0.02. That's the exchange pre-market price, right? Now, it's not the real price. Like, Bloom has not yet launched yet, but I think it's like the expected price for Bloom, right? $0.02. Now, let me just do a little calculation right here. Now, if you have 10,000 Bloom points, and multiply it by $0.02, 0.02, that will give us $200. So you have 10,000 Bloom, probably already have $200, right? But like I said, this price is not yet fixed yet. We don't know yet because they have not launched. But this is like a speculation. So please, if this is true, who knows? You have just probably just gotten a lot of money from this project. And if it's not true, who knows? It's still worth the shot. So Bloom is one of those projects I'm very, heavily invested in. So Bloom is definitely one of those projects that you want to start right now if you have not started. And it's very easy to just farm this Bloom project. So that will bring us to the end of this video, guys. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates and how to make money with crypto airdrops. Also, I have a community on WhatsApp. You can join my community where we post more updates. And with that said, I'll see you in another video.